Are you looking to delete your search history on Apple Maps? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily clear your search records within the app. I'll provide step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, so you can start fresh with a clean slate. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Maps. And then tap on the search bar at the bottom. And now you'll see all of your recent searches on Apple Maps. So if you want to delete a specific search that you did, simply tap on that search and then swipe all the way to the left to delete it. If you want to delete all of your search history, tap on More at the top right corner of the screen. It is below the Cancel button. And now you'll see an option called Clear, so go ahead and tap Clear. And it will delete all of your search history on Apple Maps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.